In this video, you'll learn how to create your population graph using Google Spreadsheets. To get started, log into your TCA Docs account using the information provided in the lesson. Click on the 9-grid icon in the upper right area of the screen. Today, you need to open both Drive and Sites. In your Sites directory, you should see the State Report website you created in Lesson 9. In the Drive directory, you'll see any documents you've created for your state report, as well as any other documents you've created for other projects. If you have not been using your TCA Docs account in the past, this page may be blank. Click the blue New button, and then click on Google Sheets. In the upper left where it says Untitled Spreadsheet, type the name of your spreadsheet. Name it Population Graph and then your last name. In this case, fake student's last name is Student, but you will type your own last name. In the upper right, click on the blue Share button. In the pop-up window, click on Advanced. Click on Change. And then in this window, click on the top choice. Click Save. On the next screen, click Done. Now place your cursor in column A, row 1. Type the word Year. In column B, row 1, type the word Population. Previously, you gathered the data for this graph, so now you simply type the data that you gathered. To save us a little time, I'll paste data into the columns. Please proofread your data to make sure the information is accurate. Next, highlight the entire section, all the cells in which you just typed, and locate the Insert Chart button. It should be on this toolbar, but if it's not, click on More, and there it is. That's what it looks like. Click on that. And a chart will be automatically inserted into your Google Sheet. Notice the chart editor on the right. Look at the chart type. Notice that it is a column chart. You can click on that and leave it either as a column chart or switch it to a bar chart. Leave the rest of the items in this area just as they are. Now click on the Customize tab. Click on Chart Style. You can change the background color of your chart, as well as the overall font of the chart. Click on either of those choices to see what they do and see if you like how it looks in your chart. Click on the next arrow. Change the name of your chart. I will name my chart Population Graph Iowa. Of course, you will use your own state name. You can change the font, size, and color of your chart as well, if you like. Now choose the horizontal axis. If desired, change the font, color, and other formatting. Next, select the vertical axis title and make your desired changes. Next, click on the series arrow. Here you can change the color of the bars. Click on these two items if you like to see what they do to your chart. This is the legend. You can click on the arrow to make changes there. Click on the horizontal axis. This is the horizontal axis of my chart. You might want to change the text color of the labels or add a slant. Click on the vertical axis and make your desired changes there. The last section is the grid lines. I'm going to change the number of grid lines to 8 because I think this will make the chart easier to read. You also have the option to change the color if you like. Whatever changes you make, the most important thing is that they make the chart easier to read. Don't select colors that make it more difficult to read the graph. For example, choosing a dark background color makes it very difficult to read the chart. So I'll change the color back to a lighter color so that it's easier to read. At this point, proofread everything one last time. Is all the spelling correct? Does everything look just like I want it to look? If so, look at the top and see that it says all changes saved in Drive. Now I know it's safe to close this tab. Here's my Drive. I see my population graph right here. I can open just to check to see that it's there. There it is. And my population graph pops right up in there. When I'm ready to add this to my state report site, it will be easy to access it right here in my Drive.